How to create a shipping plan on Amazon FBA for beginners. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. I hope you all are doing great and are having an amazing and incredible day. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can basically set up shipping on Amazon FBA. And I'm going to be taking you through all the process. I'm going to teach you how to sign up. I'm going to teach you what Amazon FBA really is, what it does for you as a seller, how to, access it through the seller's portal. And then finally, in the end, I'm going to show you how you can basically set up shipping in the easiest way possible with your Amazon FBA. So it's going to be a very nice tutorial, very, informative tutorial. So please do make sure to watch this video till the end to gain all the information you can about Amazon FBA and how you can set up shipping on it. So without further ado, let's get straight into it. Now, first of all, what we're going to do is obviously we're going to discuss Amazon FBA. Okay. Now you're probably wondering what Amazon FBA is. Now we all know what Amazon is, but Amazon FBA is fulfillment by Amazon. It is a program, or you could say a feature that you can get on sellamazon.com. Now Sell Amazon is a place that is only accessible by the sellers who are on Amazon. So if we were to go here, what does an Amazon FBA do? FBA, also known as Fulfillment by Amazon, is a service that helps Amazon sellers outsource shipping to Amazon. With this fulfillment option, Amazon stores, picks, packs, ships, and delivers the products to customers. Amazon also handles the customer service and returns for those orders. So it's a pretty good deal. Amazon gives these pretty amazing services, in my opinion. So what we're going to do is we're going to get right into this. So we're going to come here where it says FBA. Now, please do make sure that you are a seller on Amazon. If you're not a seller, then obviously this will not work for you. So once you're here, FBA, let Amazon pick, pack, and ship your orders. Now, if you were to scroll down, you have all these FAQs and stuff like that. Here we have it. Try FBA and get free shipping, returns, and more. Amazon's new seller incentives offer free promotional click-on ads, free shipping to fulfillment centers, free storage, free liquidations, and free return processing. Conditions apply, obviously. Then we can see how FBA works. Fulfillment by Amazon can help decrease fulfillment headaches as you scale your business. Now, there is an informational video on it, but you can just read the steps, pretty easy stuff. So the step one is set up FBA. Create your Amazon selling account and log into Seller Central to set up FBA. Step two is create product listings. Once you add products to the Amazon catalog, specify FBA inventory. Step three is preparing products. Prepare the products for safe and secure transportation to a fulfillment center according to Amazon packing guidelines and shipping and routing requirements. Step four is ship the products to Amazon. Create a shipping plan, print Amazon shipment ID labels, and send shipments to Amazon fulfillment centers. And yeah, so basically, print Amazon shipment ID labels basically means this, Amazon SKU labels. Let me show you what this means. So if I were to go in images, so these are basically SKU labels that you're going to see in your Amazon, label box and stuff like that. And this is necessary because obviously using this, Amazon is going to, copy your SKU and your products code and everything that you're shipping. So this is necessary. This is obligatory, in my opinion. These are basic barcode labels that you're going to get on the Amazon FBA program. So now that you've understood the whole, barcode, SKU, and that process, we're going to come here where it says FBA benefits. Your products are eligible for Amazon Prime free 2-day shipping, free shipping, and more. Prime members love free 2-day shipping, and all Amazon.com customers can get free shipping on eligible orders. When you list products for FBA, they are eligible for free shipping too. Qualified FBA listings are displayed with the Prime logo, so customers know that the Amazon handles packing, delivery, customer service, and returns. And obviously, we can see more stuff like customers get Amazon's trusted customer service, amazing customer service in my opinion, and they have great services. So now that we have discussed, all of this, all of, the essentials, let's go ahead and discuss all the start features. Now, there is a whole guide, beginner's guide, start selling guide, build an online store, stuff like that. But what we're going to do is obviously we're going to go on grow. And once we do that, we're going to see the pricings that come with all of this. So obviously you're going to go ahead. You're going to go on the cost of selling on Amazon. You're going to create your seller's page. And once you've done that, I'm going to show you the interface you're going to get where you're going to set up your shipping. So this is the interface you're going to get. This is basically what you're going to see. Now, what's going to happen is you're going to have all of this in front of you, as you can see. You're probably wondering, what good is this going to do for you? Now, basically, over here in the set quantity section, you're going to have the shipping section you're going to ship to. You're going to choose that over here, what area you're going to ship it to. Then you have the prepare label products. This is obviously the review shipment section. So here you're going to see the shipment from. Packing type, you're going to choose the packing type. It could be a case packed, it could be an open product, bubble wrapped, whatever. Then the contents, you have one MSKU product or content. And then obviously there's the optional service fees if there are any. Then here is you're going to create the FBA shipment. So create new, you're going to add in the name, and you're going to add in the content, the cases you need, the units in which you're going to need it, and then ship to, and then you're going to obviously place in the area you're going to ship it to. And then obviously you can proceed to create more of these. As you can see, create more, then ship to, create more. And yeah, that is basically all there is to, the shipment plan. And then obviously you can add as many products as you like. You can manage the inventory to your fullest, add as many SKUs. Pretty basic, pretty normal stuff. Make sure to add the right amount of fee for, add in. First, you're going to need the normal fee, and then you're going to add in the shipment fee after the shipping costs and stuff like that. And once you've done all of that, you're going to keep a low price. And once all of that is done, you're going to choose the proper shipper for you. Now, you're going to obviously choose, you're going to go with the cheapest shipper, obviously. But do know this, as the price goes up, the shipping days get less. But as the price goes down, the shipping days increase. So please do make sure to choose wisely. Don't go with the cheaper one just because it's cheap. Also look at the days. What if it's, ships cheaper, but it takes about a month? That would be horrible. So in my opinion, just go with something in the middle if you don't want to go too expensive. But if you can go expensive, then please do go for it. But yeah, that is most of what there is when it comes to setting up shipping on Amazon FBA. Now, if you enjoyed that video, please make sure to drop down a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you want to see more videos like this in the future, please do let me know down in the comments below. But yeah, until then, I hope you all keep having a great day. That was all from me, and I will see you all next time. Goodbye.